Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to need our workbook, so if you don't have it and a pencil, go grab those things and then continue on with this video. Alright boys and girls, we're going to be reading some big words. You're going to do just what we've been doing when you read words with your syllaboards, except you won't be reading using real syllaboards. You will be using the pictures of syllaboards in your workbook instead. So, can you get to page 39? Find page 39. All right, boys and girls, let's get started. So let's look at our first word. We're going to use our questions to help us read this word. How many vowels do you see in this word? You're right. There's U and I. There are two vowels. Are our vowels next to each other? Since this word has two vowels and the vowel letters are not next to each other, how many syllables does this word have? Yes, it has two. And since the word has two syllables, you will need both syllaboards pictures printed in your book. Next, we will write one vowel letter in the middle of each board. Can you guys do that? Now we should add the consonants around the vowels so that the board ends with a consonant because that closes the syllable. So I'm going to bring my P and my B down here, my L and my C down here. These are both closed syllables. Each syllable has one vowel and ends in a consonant. So we know how to read this word because the pattern tells us that the vowels spell their short sounds. Let's read it together. Ready? Pub, lick, public. When you go out in public, you're leaving your house. Right now we can't do that very often, but I can't wait until we can start going to the public parks again. Let's do our next word. Remember, what do we start by doing? Underlining those vowels. Where are your vowels? You're right, A and I. So are those vowels next to each other? They're not, so we need both of our syllaboards, don't we? So remember, we're going to put one vowel on each syllaboard. Then we bring down all of those consonants. Can you do it? All right, I'm bringing down my consonants, so I'm making sure I close in both of my vowels. Let's read our word. Ass, tick, plastic. Ooh, I had a plastic water bottle. Oh, boys and girls, I want you to finish the rest of this page, pause this video, and then come back and check with me. Did you get it finished up? Awesome job. All right, let's check our next word. Did you underline U and E? Awesome. Put them on your syllaboards, and then we put our consonants around them. And let's read our word. Subject. What's your favorite subject in school? Mine is reading. I love to read stories. Ooh, let's look at our next word. Did you underline O and E? Awesome job. Are those vowels next to each other? You're right, they're not, so we need to use two syllaboards. We're going to put our O and our E, close in our syllables, and let's read our word. Object. Can you go get that object over there? Nice job. Let's look at our next one. Did you underline U and A? All right, so you underlined U and A. They weren't next to each other, so we know we need both syllaboards. Let's bring them down, close them in with our consonants, and sound it out. Subtract, subtract. You know how to subtract. We've been doing that in math. Ooh, did you underline U and I? Awesome job. Are those vowels next to each other? They're not. We need two syllaboards. Bring them down. Close in those vowels. We have unzip, zip, unzip. Ooh, can you unzip your coat? Nice job. Ooh, boys and girls, did you underline I and E? Awesome job. Two syllaboards. They're not next to each other. We bring down our vowels. Close them in. We have infect, fect, infect. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did a great job on that workbook page. See you later. Have a great day.